People always show these rolling knife sharpeners with kitchen knives, but do they work with pocket knives? I believe that this was my first knife ever that I bought with my money, and it is not in good repair. Not sharp. With the edge geometry, it's a bit difficult to put on this magnetic base, but if I just constantly apply pressure this way, it should be okay. Starting with this side, finishing with this side. And I'm going with the 20-degree side because there's no way this thing is sharpened at a 15-degree angle, which would be sharper. Flipping that around. It seems a bit sharper, but let's test it out. I mean, there's still stuff that regular sharpening like this cannot get out. Before it was just tearing when I did this, so it's definitely sharper. I don't have one of those fancy knife sharpness testy things, which would be pretty cool to get with swords, but this definitely made it sharper.